My name is Gabe Cruz. My title is the RipStik God. And joined with me, to my right, the former best RipStik rider in the world. And to my left, the current best RipStik rider in the world. Today, we present the Ripstik Games. 3 events, enough RipStik talent to rip up the world. And you are going to sit down, watch, and enjoy the show. Leave it in those comments below. Who will be the winner of these games? That is all. All right, so we're gonna do a good old-fashioned Rochambeau here, and whoever wins gets to choose the RipStik of their choice.
Both of us want the same one.
Here we go. I think I know which one is better. JD.
Pizza!
Dang it!
I love pizza.
Pizza.
I hate silver.
Gray.
Second place silver, come on.
And these are just the standard RipStik versions. If you want to see this with the RipStik Air Pro, if you want to see this with the mini RipStiks, leave it in those comments below. We love doing challenges like this. But let me break it down for you all. We have 3 challenges. Challenge number 1 is the RipStik race. Challenge number 2, how many kickflips can be landed in 1 minute? And challenge number 3 is the Olympic Javelin RipStik toss. How far can you throw a RipStik? I think I know who's gonna win that one, but you never know what'll happen. So let's go. Leave your predictions in the comments below, and let's get going with this race.
I'm scared.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start right here. RipStiks must begin just like this. There will be no unfair advantages based off of body size and or age here on my watch. Both contestants will ride as fast as they can over to that fence. They will then touch the fence. They will get off of the RipStik, and then they will get back on the RipStik and roll as fast as they can back to the finish line, which is right here. Any questions?
Yes, tell me the getting off, getting on details.
Touch the fence, get off with both feet, get back on and start rolling.
Okay,
So
you touch first, then both feet must touch the ground, then get back on.
Yes.
Okay.
And it is just a way to ruin momentum.
Yeah, okay.
I will add one more caveat. I like what you're doing here, JD. You can get onto the RipStik in any way you so desire.
I just decided that I should copy him.
So-
he seems excited about this
So
strategy.
Rick's biting your idea. You seem to be the visionary here.
I might bail it though.
Okay, so on my mark, when I say 3, 2, 1, go,
Okay.
you may begin, and the race will be underway. Are you ready?
Yes.
In 3, 2, 1, go! No! Here we go! Here we go! Just go, 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 go! Oh! Come on! Rick took the perilous path. JD has the smoother ground. You gotta touch the fence. Dislodge! Dislodge! Here he goes. JD is flying. I've never seen anybody move this fast. Rick is in the dust. And just like that, easy victory.
Dude, we both bailed.
Wow. I'm not gonna lie, I thought Rick had the advantage on that one, but JD just has so much so a better technique.
Dang.
Rick, how do you feel after that?
Dude, that was rough. How did we both bail? Did he get on quicker or did we get on back at the same time?
He threw down.
Oh, he caveman?
He threw down.
I'm Mongo push and he's cavemaning.
Wow.
That was fun. Did you see? I went through the water and
did.
one of my pumps I fully slipped.
In JD too, he stayed on the really smooth ground as well.
Yeah.
You were riding on like the worst ground.
Yeah, you
Event number 1, the winner is JD.
Congratulations.
Let's go.
Okay, we're gonna change up the order here, Rick. JD has won event number 1. So what we are doing now,
Should we get
event
a broken
number 2 is the RipStik Javelin toss. You will have 3 chances to throw it as far as you can, and whoever throws it the furthest in those 3 chances is the winner of this event. Derek, do you have any predictions for this challenge?
I believe JD is going to win.
Really?
Yeah!
No.
Damn.
Give us some hope.
No faith in Rick.
I mean, yeah, I guess don't crush the kids' dreams too soon. Okay.
What's the best strat? We throw it however we want.
You can throw however
I'm
you
not
want.
listening to you. You made me bail that.
You throw however you want. You just must release the board before this line.
Hey, you copy a 14-year-old strategy, we both bail. That's what happens.
Before this line. And you are throwing that way. There's a
Don't
lot
hit
of
any
empty
cars.
parking lot, so please don't mess this up. All right.
Are we gonna switch off? Or
You're
just
switching off, yeah.
One?
Wait. Is it where it lands or is it where it gets to?
It's where it gets to.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. That was.
Oh.
That wasn't okay. I mean, that was all right. That was all right. I'll give it to you.
I'm gonna try to go like this.
It's called javelin toss for a reason.
Yeah, like that. That's javelin.
All right. Whoa! Dude!
You hit the car. Wait, am
I parking lot, Rick?
The wind.
have
Wait,
a whole parking lot.
Is mine even
trying to
ahead?
take out Derek.
He still lost.
And JD won so far.
Mine just dead stopped upside down.
This is where JD was right here. Hey, throw me the sword. All right. The sword of destiny right here. That is the mark of the furthest. That is the mark of the furthest. That's the furthest. I can't say it. JD threw the furthest.
They're gonna shut this gate.
Oh no. Well, the owners are closing this side of the gate, so we gotta improvise. All right, round 1 of 3 throws is complete. The sword of destiny marks the best throw thus far. We're gonna go again.
All right, I'm crushing it this time. I'm full confidence now.
Full confidence.
Yeah.
You got no cars to
Last
body.
time, I did shot put. This time I'm doing the full.
All right.
Yeah, the car threw me way off.
Yeah,
Imagine I just smashed.
dude, it threw you way off and you still almost hit it. All right, Rick, here you go. Throw number 2.
Dang it.
Dude,
Too much height, I guess.
how did he throw so much farther
Let's
than
see.
you?
Let's see his strategy.
Alright, I'm switching it up.
Watch yourself, Derek.
See, it's hot. It's hot. He's still not further.
So far, JD is still winning.
Why is mine always upside down? Can't I get a little roll?
Come on, Rick. Look at this.
I don't know if
You
this
see this? He's over there, no stress, petting his
He's
dog.
chilling.
Come on, you need to put some pressure on,
is a
Rick.
competitor.
Come on. Last try. Oh.
Give me a bounce.
Oh! You gotta roll!
He's gonna crush it. Ready?
Final try. I think Ricky just took the lead.
Yeah.
Can you take the lead back?
Yes!
Derek, what is the call?
Rick is the winner.
Rick is the winner!
He hasn't won yet. 1-0. Dude, that was harder than I thought. I thought I'd be able to throw. It's kind of an awkward shape. Now that I think about it, if you're doing skateboard throw, you'd probably do it like this.
Yeah, I mean, I would still do that.
With this?
That would have been my strategy.
I don't know, but it's like it's not that good to grip that. But I guess if you go like that, let me know what the best way to throw a ripstick is in the comments.
We're just letting them do a little impromptu kickflip practice right now.
Uh-oh.
Oh! On the line, the kickflip challenge. How many kickflips can they land in 1 minute? This is going to decide a lot here.
This is tough.
What is on the line here is the question.
Dignity.
Is the winner of this challenge back to being the world's best ripsticker?
I don't know if I want the title anymore. You know, like boxers and fighters, they hold the title, then they get taken away.
Yeah.
I'm good. I'm retired. I think I'm out of the game.
One final Rochambeau. And JD, you choose. Do you want to go first or second?
I would like to go second.
It's interesting. Like, what's my technique to get on? Mongo? Or
I feel like your
other one?
technique
I
has
think
always
that
been Mongo.
I think normal's probably because you could set your foot up easier.
Okay, I have 1 minute. I will start the timer on your first pop.
That doesn't count.
0. 1. Still at 1. Still at 1. 35 seconds left. Oh my gosh. 30 seconds. Only 1 kickflip down. Oh my gosh. 22 seconds. Still at 1. 15 seconds. Can he squeeze out 2? Maybe 3. 10 seconds. That's 2. 5 seconds left. 2. I'll give you 1 more. That's time. And that is it.
Dude, that was hard. The like wiggling around kind of like adds an extra element.
After
So you just have to
Ricky's
land
run,
3.
he only landed 2 kickflips on the Ripstick. JD has to land 3 kickflips in 1 minute to become the undisputed Ripstik Champion. JD, are you ready?
Alright,
Time starts on your first pop.
ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Time has begun. That's 1.
Oh,
Stuck
Rick's
at
still
1.
good. Rick's in the lead.
Uh-oh.
Rick's in the lead.
Pressure's on. That's 2.
Tie.
He's tied with Ricky.
It's a
43
tie.
seconds left. And JD is the winner. He can stop
going,
right
keep
now. 33 seconds remaining. 4,
Wow.
5,
Wow.
6. 18 seconds. 7. Can he hit 10? He has 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time!
Wow. What was that? 8? That was sick.
This is a lot harder than I expected.
Unbelievable.
Well,
Well played,
I
brother.
guess I'm still the world's best Ripsticker.
Enjoy it.
That's so tiring, bro.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Feel pretty good. Hot turkey. Is it
Shout out
good?
to Ripstick. Shout out to the past RipStik God as well.
Yeah.
Who remembers that
Shout
arc?
out. Thanks again for Ripstick. Because without Ripsticks, I wouldn't be Ripsticking like this. You know what I'm saying?
Wow, that's crazy.
Wow.
What Rick said about, sometimes you hold the crown and then you just got to let it go and retire and be at peace. That's what happened with the RipStik God too, because the RipStik God, that's a title that you live with forever, whether you're in the game or you're out the game.
It's an honor just to hold it at one time.
Exactly. You know what the real honor is? Just being able to RipStik. All right, JD, here you go. A $20 Jamba Juice gift card on the house.
Let's
Here
go!
is your prize for being the best Ripsticker on Braille. And this right here is the RipStik Air Pro. This is what JD actually skates. The other ones, we just tried to keep the game a little even. All right, but this right here is the real deal. Please show us what you can do.
Let's do it.
You're gonna see why. He's the best.
Gotta tie my shoelace first, though. Oh, it's already tied.
All right, JD Sanchez, the best Ripstik rider on Braille, could possibly be the entire world, drops in. Goes for the early grab down the 3 blocks. Oh my gosh. What I think is really cool about JD riding a Ripstick is that he rides a Ripstick better than most people ride a skateboard. Oh, there you go. The Ripstick grind, baby. Rick clearly is not happy about his defeat. He's trying to take out the competition. Oh! Body! Hey, but seriously though, if you enjoyed this challenge, let us know. If you want to see it on any other Ripstick, the Mini, the Rip Surf, the Air Pro, the Grind Edition, let us know and we'll do it. All right, here we go. I have a feeling this is going to be the one. I was right. You can 3-flip that? Oh, I was gonna say, since when? There we go, back to back. Come on, get some speed, Rick. Hey, so what we're witnessing right here is youth versus young at heart. Wow. Oh my gosh. These guys should just play a game of skate. Maybe next episode.
Oh, I made it.
Wow. He lands this, I'm taking the Ripstick away and I'm ending the video.
Should I board slide this real quick? I'm gonna board slide this real quick.
Oh! Wow!
With no warm-up, Rick is going right for it.
There it is. Rick still got it. Rick still got it. He may have lost the challenge, but Rick still got it. Hey, that was a lot of fun. We hope you guys enjoyed the Ripstik games. If you want to see any other challenges with any types of boards, ripsticks, scooters, morph boards, flybirds, whatever you want to see, let us know in the comments below. And we really appreciate you guys watching these videos. We're here every single day at 10 a.m. Pacific. We'll see you then.